Hi all, welcome to Study IT. Today we are going to learn about ILCode and JIT. What is IL or MSIL and what is JIT? Let us understand. ILCode is a partially compiled code or a half compiled code we can say. So the .NET languages are higher level languages like CSharp, F#. These are higher level languages and they are compiled down to a hardware agnostic, which means device independent instruction set. This instruction set, which is device independent, is called as intermediate language or Microsoft intermediate language. So the intermediate language or IL code is nothing but the partially compiled code. It is not fully compiled because it is not converted to machine language which the processor can understand. It is somewhere in between the higher language and the machine language. Hence it is IL intermediate code. The IL code can be viewed using tools like IL disassembler or IL spy. So we can view this in our machine for our code. What is JIT or JIT? JIT is just-in-time compiler. It takes the IL code and it converts it to machine language which the processor can understand. So just-in-time compiler converts the intermediate language code to machine language, and this machine language code is then understood by the processor and then the application finally runs. Just-in-time compiler, it is part of CLR, which means Common Language Runtime. Common Language Runtime means it is a very basic component of .NET framework which handles very important part of .NET application execution. So this was about IL code and JIT. Let's mark the important points that we need to mention during answering a query regarding IL code and JIT. IL code is nothing but partially compiled code. And if someone asks, can we view IL code? So yes, we can view, and we can view using tools like IL disassembler, IL spy on our machines. And what is JIT? JIT means it is a compiler, just-in-time compiler. It takes in the IL code, converts to machine language. This is what is the job of JIT, JIT. JIT compiler, it is part of Common Language Runtime. So this was about IL code and JIT. This is it for today. To learn more, please subscribe to my channel. Do like and share it with your friends. Bye for now.